National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 572, effective until 4 o'clock a.m. Monday. This watch includes the following county: Frederick County, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch and damaging winds and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements